This question says, in which gear system do exactly two gears spin in the same direction? Is it A, B, or if both or neither, then mark C. So let's analyze each system one at a time, starting with A. And we have to pick one of these gears to start us off. So let's assume gear W is rotating clockwise. Well, if gear W is rotating clockwise, we see it's connected to gear Y by this belt, and they're on the same side of the belt, which means that gear Y will also be rotating clockwise. We see gear Y is connected to a shaft, and to that shaft, we also have gear X connected. So if gear Y is rotating clockwise, then gear X is also rotating clockwise. The last gear in the system A to consider is gear Z, and we see that it's connected to gear X with a belt, but there's a twist in the belt, which means that gear Z is going to rotate in the opposite direction as gear X, and therefore rotate counterclockwise. Now let's perform the same analysis in system B. In B, we can again assume that W is rotating clockwise, but because we see this twist in the belt, that means gear X, the gear to which the belt is also connected, will be rotating opposite, and therefore gear X will be rotating counterclockwise. Then, again, we have the same shaft connecting gear X and gear Y. So if gear X is rotating counterclockwise, then gear Y is also rotating counterclockwise. Then, again, lastly, we have gear Z to consider. We see gear Y is rotating counterclockwise, and it's connected to the same belt. So gear Z will also be rotating counterclockwise. So in A, we have 3 gears rotating clockwise and 1 counterclockwise, and in B, we have 3 counterclockwise and 1 clockwise. And the question again is asking, exactly 2 gears spin in the same direction. Well, in neither system do we have 2 gears exactly spinning in the same direction. We have 3 in both cases. And therefore, the correct answer is C.